Let us draw the isometric view of a rectangular prism first. Before drawing the isometric view, let us draw the orthographic projection of the solid. I have drawn an XY line and I am drawing the top view of the square prism has 40 mm side at one side and 60 mm in the another side. Now I have drawn the top view, and let us assume the prism is having a height of 70 mm. In 70 mm I am drawing the front view. Okay, now we have finished drawing the orthographic projection. I have named the top surface as ABCD and the bottom surface as 1, 2, 3, 4. The top surface is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and the bottom surface is 1, 2 dash, 3 dash, and 4 dash. Now let us get into the isometric view. For drawing isometric view, let us draw a simple horizontal thin line, then draw a vertical line, thin line, then draw 30 degrees towards the right. Take your protractor and measure 30 degrees towards the right hand side. Then similarly draw a 30-degree line in the left hand side. Okay, now we can see a face in this side and here we can see a face. So now we have to decide any one side as front view. So now I am assuming this side as front. So I am marking a symbol here. This side is assumed as front. So this is the front plane. So in the front plane, this edges will appear AB and 1, 2. 1, 2 will be at the bottom and AB will be at the top. So I am transferring that point 1, 2 here. Let us transfer the point 1 here, and 2 is at a distance of 60 mm here. So I am transferring that 60 mm to the front plane here. Similarly, the height of the solid is 70 mm. So I am extending that height to 70 mm. Okay. The point which is at the top of the front plane is B and A. So this is B, which is above the 2, right? So above the 1 there is the point A. So above 1 take 70 mm height and mark the point A. This is point A. So now we can connect this A and B. Okay, now we have drawn the front plane of the solid in isometric view. So let us go to the left side plane. In left side plane, point AD41 are there. So already A1 came into the picture. Let us transfer the points D and 4. So D and 4, the width of the side is, left side is 40 mm. So here mark a 40 mm line. So this is the point in the left side face. So near the point 1, 4 is there. So this is the point 4. And I am extending that height to 70 mm. Over the point 4, point D is there. So if I extend that point to 70 mm height, I will get the point D above the 4. So this is point D. And now I am connecting this face. Okay, now I have drawn the front plane and the left side plane also. So if I want to complete that figure, at the same 30 degrees, here the line is 1, 2 is at 30 degrees. Similarly, AB will also at 30 degrees. Similarly, I will draw the line DC at 30 degrees. So let us draw a line in the same 60 mm width. And this will be the point C. And if you connect this point to the B, now we got the whole view of that rectangular prism. Thank you for watching.